Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Telegram wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are two main ways to do it, through a P2P marketplace or using cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance or Kraken. First, open the Telegram wallet app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and your digital assets are ready to be withdrawn. In your Telegram wallet app, go to the P2P market section. Click on the Sell option to start the process of selling your digital assets. You'll see a list of buyers or brokers. These individuals will transfer funds to your bank account in exchange for your digital assets. Find the best option based on your preferences, such as supported banks, the currency you want to sell, the offered price. Once you find a suitable buyer, click Sell. Enter your bank account details and any other necessary information. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to be transferred to your bank account. The second way is choose an exchange platforms. Popular options include Binance and Kraken. Make sure you have an account on the exchange you chose. In your exchange account, go to the deposit section and copy the wallet address of the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Go back to the Telegram wallet app and select Send. Select External Wallet and paste the wallet address you copied from your exchange account. Once the funds arrive in your exchange account, use the platform's withdrawal feature to transfer the funds to your bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide your bank account details as required. And that's it. Using these two methods, you can easily withdraw funds from your Telegram wallet, either through a P2P marketplace or using cryptocurrency exchange platforms. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from your Telegram wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.